Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, November 14th. We're looking at window traders and market profile of the ES and the NQ. So sellers who absolutely dominated yesterday are trying to impose their will again this morning. Remember, righty and NQ are already down on the daily. ES was a 4-day balance. Well, it looks like we're going to gap out of that 4-day balance to the downside and put the daily down. Remember, they held their gap yesterday. Small one, but they held it. And they went out with a triple distribution day. They're following this up now with a potential gap lower. NQ, so far, in the pre-market now, has dipped below last week's low, right? If we take out the 7th low of 709.50, the weekly will be down. Remember, righties are already down on the weekly and daily. If NQ could join the club, ES can join it if they take out 55.50. So things changing here mid-November, right? We're still holding the overnight all-time highs for all three of these indices. Yet, we have now put the dailies down, potentially going to put the weeklies down. Again, what does that mean? It means, right, you can't get the monthly back to balance until you do those two things, which is get the weekly down and the daily down. So sellers are attempting to do that. For the overall health of the market, I think it's very good, right? We've gone straight up for 6-7 months. Righty this morning, also looking to gap lower, right? So again, volume so far this morning, pretty heavy. We have 90 minutes to go. Qs already have 3 million on the tape. SPY 1.5 million. Yesterday's volumes were good. SPY did over 100,000 shares. Didn't get into the top 10, but was over 100,000. Qs did 71,000. They averaged 47. So the volume, look, we talked about it last night. We're talking about it again today. All we could ask for as traders is range and volume. IWM, 66 million. They averaged 33 million. So again, we're getting both, and we're going to get both again today. The one thing we have to potentially look at is the size of the gap. Will that sap the range from us today? Hopefully not, but that happens at times. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Come join the room if you want to see what we're doing. Come 9:15. It'll be fun to recap these charts tonight. For now, here's your monthly. Still an inside month in ES, right? You know, last week we closed at 671 in SPY. We were up $13 at one point. Now we're down 5. So a tremendous turnaround here from Wednesday through yesterday and now this morning. So an inside month for now on the monthly. Even with this push down, we're still $13 above last month's low. So still an inside month, still up on the monthly. The weekly, like we said, was a 3-week balance. Do we have the inside week, or do we take out last week's low? Still $5 above it? We'll see. And the daily is now going from a 4-day balance to down. 50-day moving average, 667.98. Right now, pre-market, we're trading about $2 below it. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. We will recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.